Welcome to another array of gadgets sourced from across the web, designed to elevate your everyday routine to the next level. Like to begin your morning routine with a shower and some music? Some genius guys have combined a showerhead with a Bluetooth speaker. There's more, it also features Alexa for voice commands. Installation is easy, but the lack of spray mode options in the showerhead is a minor drawback for me. As for the sound, the 10-watt speaker developed in collaboration with Harman Kardon delivers impressive audio quality. The battery lasts up to 5 hours, making it convenient for daily use. When it's charging time, just take the speaker out of the showerhead. It's magnetically attached and charges wirelessly. Just in case, it may also double as your microphone or a toy for your toddler while taking a bath. You've already guessed it's waterproof, right? Want to go where no scooter has gone before? Check out this all-terrain e-scooter, a robust vehicle that's said to conquer roads, off-road trails, sandy beaches, and snowy slopes equally well. The trick is that it's capable of swapping from a two-wheel setup for flat surfaces to a configuration with one wheel in the front and treads in the rear for off-roading, or a front ski and rear treads for conquering snow and ice. Equipped with a 48-volt lithium battery and a powerful 1,500-watt motor, it can reach speeds exceeding 25 miles per hour on roads and a maximum speed of 35 miles per hour on snowy terrain. The scooter boasts dual-disc brakes, front and rear suspension, hydraulic shock absorption, a durable frame, an intelligent LCD display, built-in headlights, and a foldable design for convenient storage. It may become your good pal if you weigh less than 260 pounds. Trying to impress me with a 55-inch 4K TV? Seriously? Well, it doesn't sound that impressive until you find out that this LG TV is actually transparent. In case you want it to look like a regular TV from time to time, there's a unique contrast film on the back. The TV features custom widgets and runs on a streamlined WebOS interface. While the transparency mode creates mesmerizing depth effects, it sacrifices brightness compared to LG's top-tier OLEDs due to the absence of micro-lens array technology. Yet the colors still look brighter than I expected. I'd like to own such a TV. This is a hello from the Soviet era, like literally. This clock greets you when it turns on and farewells when it turns off. 3 touch buttons are responsible for all the controls. Aside from that, it features a glowing circuit board with a transparent substrate fluorescent tube, blending shape and visual delight. Powered by a high-performance chip, this thing ensures accurate timekeeping and offers various color gradient modes controllable via a radio frequency remote. Looks cyberpunkish. The first thing you notice about Bose earbuds is that you have to literally clip them onto your ear. But it shouldn't be just about design, right? The 12mm drivers provide good sound quality, although they lack the base of noise-isolating buds. The open design suits outdoor activities with an IPX4 splash-proof rating. The control button on each bud allows easy music management, though volume control gestures may require practice. The buds excel in minimizing sound leakage. While not noise-canceling, they feature immersive audio for spatialization. Battery life is decent, up to 7.5 hours, but drops to 4.5 hours with immersive audio. Voice calling also performs well. At $299, the price may be a concern, but the unique design and quality make them worth checking out. I've never been a huge fan of jotting down notes or sketching on my iPad with the Apple Pencil, mainly because gliding over glass just didn't feel right. Not to mention the screen was always smudged, hardly inspiring me to write anything. That's why I stuck with paper. But then Paperlike reached out for a promotional spot on their screen protector, claiming it offers a paper-like feel. Let's put that claim to the test and see if it can truly replace my notebook. The package includes 2 protectors, which is quite handy. The installation process is thoughtfully designed by the manufacturer. First, clear any smudges from the screen, then apply the Paperlike perfectly. So let's give it a try. The secret is micro bead technology manufactured in Switzerland that mimics the texture of paper. These beads provide just enough resistance to the Apple Pencil, making writing and drawing feel much more natural. I'm honestly impressed. Even the sound of writing mimics that of paper. Now I won't have to constantly clean my screen of fingerprints, and I can finally use my Apple Pencil as intended. Just look at the before and after. The difference is undeniable. Plus, Paperlike also minimizes glare, giving the screen a matte finish that's much gentler on the eyes. Some things start making you nervous right from the moment you see them. like this impossible tangle of cables. Baseus has addressed this issue by launching a retractable cable that allows you to customize its length. It can be extended up to 3.2 feet, catering to various usage scenarios. Simply connect the USB-C end to your device and the other end to a power source or another device for data transfer. With the capability to deliver up to 100 watts of power, it ensures rapid and safe charging for your devices and super fast data transfer. Worried about durability? The cable can endure daily wear and tear, handling weight up to 30 pounds. Additionally, it incorporates a built-in chip that provides protection against overvoltage, overcurrent, and short-circuit incidents. A foldable mug for my morning coffee? Nope. A foldable charger to boost your always hungry combo of the phone, earbuds, and watch? It unfolds like a pop-up book and it's ready to work right away. Need to take a video call? Simply adjust the angle and position, just like you would with a regular phone stand, although this one's not that regular, it's 360-degree rotatable. I like that it's very convenient to take with you. No more extra cables and adapters, put everything in the storage bag and throw it into your backpack. Here's another option to give a little boost to your mobile devices, but with a standard wall plug. The only difference is the design. The performance remains the same. It charges up to 3 devices simultaneously. It features 2 ports for better convenience, USB-C and USB-A. This is particularly useful for gadgets that don't support wireless charging, such as tablets or laptops, whether they run on Apple or Android systems. However, it still has a wireless charger for your watch. Now all your portables and wearables are ready to work. Bigger is always better? Doubtful. Take a look at this mini projector. It's no bigger than a purse of some kind of fashionista, but it boasts 1100 lumens brightness, DLP color technology, and OSRAM technology for vibrant displays. At maximum settings, it can run for up to 3 hours, while in eco mode, the running time is about 6 hours at 500 lumens. You know what? It may double as a power bank if needed. Great feature for outdoor activities. You'll also like plenty of connectivity options via numerous ports or wirelessly with built-in Wi-Fi. Watch movies or use it as a Bluetooth speaker with 48 hours of music playback and enjoy LED light effects synced to music. It's up to you. Just charge it in time. Working with data is often a hassle. Too many papers, too many portable devices. This mobile computer can handle all the tasks for you without extra movements right on your wrist or fingers. So what can it do? Scan barcodes? Even if they're damaged, obscured, or poorly printed? Yes. Capture detailed pictures for documentation of proof of condition and other confirmations that require photo evidence? Absolutely. You can check the results on the 2-inch screen before sending them. It even allows you to communicate with others through its built-in speaker and mic. The built-in battery allows for up to 3 hours of continuous work, but then you can simply swap the batteries. Finally, the mobile computer is lightweight yet sturdy enough to withstand drops, water splashes, and dust, so you can work comfortably all day long. Another desktop lamp? Don't jump to conclusions. It can perform more functions than just lighting up your working space with several color temperatures or brightness levels. In case you need a particular angle, the upper part is rotatable by 180 degrees. By the way, while reading, use the wireless charging or built-in ports to charge your devices, and when you fold it, it becomes a stylish accessory. It looks so minimalist, yet eye-catching to me. One of the first things you're thinking about before another adventure is a power bank to stay in touch with the rest of the world. Well, this one by Nocqua Powerbank features a 10,000 mAh battery and a 5-volt, 1-amp USB output. It's said to be enough for 4 to 5 charges for standard phones, 2 to 3 for extra large phones, and 1 to 2 for tablets. Of course, it's compatible with other portables like action cams. All the ports are covered. In addition, the rubberized coating and a silicone case make this device completely resistant to any kind of abuse, but what if the phone might break? That's why there's a built-in LED and a compass for a backup plan. Clip it to your backpack and stay safe and in touch. Creating a 3D model of an object is a hassle? Nope. Revopoint's latest 3D scanner, MIRACO, boasts an impressive precision of 0.05 millimeters, and it's wireless, so you won't tangle in cords during the process. Weighing 26 ounces, it delivers up to 2 hours of non-stop usage. Just pick the mode according to the object size and start scanning. With a 48-megapixel main camera, infrared cameras, and LEDs, MIRACO precisely captures textures and colors. You can see the result on the foldable 6-inch AMOLED screen and then send it to your, laptop or smartphone. You can take a couple of selfies to create your 3D copy. 32 gigabytes of RAM should be enough for a huge scan of a car. And additional accessories like the tripod and the turntable help with scanning smaller objects. I suggest you complement the clock with this fully transparent number pad featuring 18 RGB backlit modes. There's also a half-transparent version, but I personally prefer the fully transparent one. Connect it to your PC, laptop, or even smartphone either via Bluetooth or with the USB-C cable. It's up to you. Ice crystal switches are smooth to press and comfortable to use in open spaces, as they're not as loud as ordinary mechanical keyboards. I like that you can fully customize the layout according to your needs. Keycaps are interchangeable. The same goes for the keys. Customize each of them in the apps. Now it's time to present something for content creators. This is the Virso M2 Kit, your solution for crisp, professional sound at an affordable price. With a 650-foot range and up to 256 gigabytes micro SD card support, it ensures uninterrupted recording of conversations and interviews with up to 3 people. Ready out of the box, its 2 transmitters and 1 receiver easily clip onto clothing or gear for instant usability. The receiver's display provides essential info at a glance, while its long-lasting battery offers up to 40 hours of recording time. However, iPhone users may find the lack of a 3.5mm jack to lightning adapter inconvenient. The kit has a high rating on Amazon. That's why I think it's a nice device. However, sound alone isn't enough. You need good lighting. The Aputure MC Pro is a 5-watt RGB WW LED panel with lumen radio CRMX and IP65 construction for durability. It shines 4 times brighter than its competitors and can provide any color or color temperature you need. Whether you're shooting a movie about a zombie apocalypse or just want the model's skin to look perfect, its compact size allows you to mount it on virtually any gear you have. At its maximum brightness of 1585 lux, you'll have up to 2 hours on one charge. Control it remotely or with the knob on the body. It's a matter of preference.